Hi everybody, this is Mark Repp, Technology Trainer of Port Huron Schools. Now I want to show you how to take screenshots to an entirely new level. Earlier I showed how you can find an app on your Chromebook by either using the search button on the keyboard or by tapping the launcher button down here in the bottom left corner. One app that I always like to pin to the shelf is the web store. So I'll just type in web and it will bring up the Chrome web store right here. Doing a two-finger tap and choosing pin to shelf will then add it down here to the shelf. Now when you tap on this button at any time, it will bring up the Chrome web store. And I want you to do a search for awesome screenshot. Just like this, press enter and it will bring up the awesome screenshot screen video recorder. Now I've already added it to my extensions bar and you'll see it right here. It's this little circular icon. We're going to use the same idea for the assignment of doing a screenshot of a school district logo, but this time we're going to use Awesome Screenshot. So in order for Awesome Screenshot to work, you'll have to click on this button right here in your extensions bar. You can see it says Awesome Screenshot Screen Video Recorder. When you click on it, it brings up a drop-down menu. And you'll see all these extra features that you have for creating screenshots. And also you'll notice that it gives you 30 seconds in the free version to record your screen. So you could do a 30-second video recording as well. Up here you can do a delayed capture. You can capture a selected area, which is the most popular way of doing screenshots. You can also capture an entire page. And you can select a local image for editing. That's right, Awesome Screenshot has a built-in editor, so that you can add annotations to your screenshots as well. So I'm going to choose Capture Selected Area. And when I do that, you'll notice that it dims the entire page, just like it did when I chose Control-Shift Task Switcher earlier. Now I'll give you a little trick for using Awesome Screenshot this way. What I'd recommend is that you just kind of pick a general area and not the specific screenshot that you want to do, so you can position it. And so I'm going to let go. And I want to capture this area, so I'm going to click on Capture. And now it opens up the editor. So if I want a more precise screenshot, what I can do now is go over to the cropping tool, click Crop, and now select only the area that I want. And I only want the logo. That's what I want to turn in. So I'll let go and then click Crop right here at the top. And now I've selected this particular area and I only have the district logo. Some other things that I can do with Awesome Screenshots built-in free tools, I can add a pen and then I can choose my color right here. So in this case, I'm going to choose a red pen and I could circle, I can underline. If you click the drop-down arrow, you have a rectangle or circle shape that you can add. There are also arrows that can be added. If you wanted to draw attention to something, you can just click and drag. And there's also a blur tool as well. So if I clicked on the blur tool and then click on the item that I wanted to blur, I'll just make a rectangle around it and then it blurs that area out. If you make mistakes, just hit the undo button and you can go all the way back to the start. Here's undo and here's redo. This is the clear button if you wanted to clear everything out. You also have a zoom in and zoom out button. These shaded areas right here on the toolbar are items that you would have to pay extra for. So if I wanted to grab all of this, I can crop it, click crop, and if I wanted to add text, I can click the A, and for example, I could just click and type my name. Click away, and there you go. If I wanted to move my text, I can move it anywhere around this area. So the text is movable. Any annotations are movable. This is the highlighter. So if you wanted to highlight specific things, remember that you can always change your color. I like a yellow highlighter, so I can highlight anything on this page. So when you're done, you're going to click the Done button. And then if you chose the red Google button, you can connect to your Google account, and now you can save your projects directly to your Google Drive. So I'm going to give this project a name. I'll call it District Logo, and I'll click Upload. And it gives you a link that you could now share with others. As you scroll down, if you click Local Save, I'll allow the additional permissions. And now I can save it directly to my Chromebook. Since I've given it a name, I can click Save. And now it's saved directly into my Files app. So if I click on the Files app down here on the shelf, there it is right there. There's the screenshot that I just saved from Awesome Screenshot. If I wanted to move this anywhere in particular, I could. And using this link that I'm given, I can copy it, go to Google Classroom, and I'll go into my classwork. And remember, it says turn in your screenshots here, so I'll click View Assignment. I'll click Add, and since I have the web link this time, I'm going to click Link and right-click, two-finger tap or Alt-click, and choose Paste. And then Add Link. And you can see that this time it's being turned in through Awesome Screenshot. So this is another way that you can turn in your screenshots. It will be attributed to me because I'm logged into Google Classroom, so you'll see my name. So that's how you turn in your assignments to Google Classroom through Awesome Screenshot, and how you can use the great features of Awesome Screenshot to take your screenshots to the next level. I'm Mark Repp. Thanks for joining me again for another tech tip. Bye-bye.